Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step process how you can easily add a new customer in QuickBooks Online. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to Sales and then click here Customers. When you're going to do it, you're going to be in Customers, and you want to go to top right and click a new customer. Right then when you're going to do it, you need to add a title. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. First name, middle name, last name, so I'll go like Marcus Stone, company Sunway, that's mine, and then I have an address here. And also, before we go to address and notes and everything, you can add simple email. Then you have phone, mobile, fax, other, and website. And then we have an address here. We can add notes. We have some tax info, payment and billing, like what is the preferred payment method for the customer. This is really important to add. You can like prefer delivery method, print later or send later. Terms, again, you add it here. And opening balance. Then you have like a language here, attachments, additional information. So you have, if you want to have a customer types here. And this is pretty much it how you do it. Now I'm going to click save. And then you're going to be in your customer. And you're going to see all the transaction that was happening on a customer. I can see the project, customer details, some late fees here, and on the top right I can go here and click new transaction, and I can add an invoice, payment, estimate, sales receipt, credit memo, delayed charge, time activity, or statement. So this is how you can simply create a customer. This was a quick and effective tutorial how you can actually do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.